Hello and welcome to Reality Recap, where I recap all of the trashiest road trips. Just kidding, that's not gonna be the new thing. I still need to work on the intro, guys. It's all a work in progress. Okay, so let's do some housekeeping while we drive down this way. So I'm just gonna let this the car trip play while I catch up, and then the second part of the video is going to be more calm and in nature and more relaxing. So the first thing I have to say is that Tanner is snoring next to me, so you may hear him in the background. A lot of you don't seem to mind that and find it pretty endearing, and I have to say I kind of do too. So if you hear weird noises in the back, it's definitely Tanner having a little siesta. This video is already relaxing him. That's how effective it is. So I have been stressed out. When I get stressed out, one of the things that I really like to do is go into nature. It's a really good way of resetting. Typically what I do is I go hiking. Today's a little different because I'm going to go paddleboarding, and that's what we're gonna do today. I just recently got a blow-up hybrid paddleboard that can convert into a kayak, and what I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do in the future is to go and do a lot of camping trips and carry gear on the kayak and camp along the river as I go. I am very excited for that. I have some friends that are also interested in doing it, but I'm going to go by myself. If I can't find people to go with me, I am so done not doing what I want to do because people can't go. And so I'm just gonna go by myself, and I'm gonna have a great time because I have fun by myself. And I feel like if the option is to either go by yourself or not go at all, I'm gonna go by myself. Obviously, I'm gonna be careful and have precautions in place. Oh, and also I need to catch you up on another thing that's been going on that's a real bummer. So obviously I have a dog, so why don't I bring Tanner with me? Excellent idea. Unfortunately, Tanner has developed a real fear of the car. And I think part of it was that my car died during COVID. And I went shopping for a new car, and I was like, oh, I'm not paying these prices. I refuse. And so I thought, it's just going to go back down. Inflation's going to go back down, and then I'll buy a car then. I don't have to have a car. I'm in a very walkable area. I live, in a place where you can bike all the time. And, I figured it wouldn't be an issue. And it wasn't until I replaced my car, finally. And now Tanner is afraid of the car. It's been almost a year of introducing him to the new car, and I would have thought that, the fear that he has in it would have gone away. He's happy to get in the vehicle. He jumps in himself, and he jumps up on the seat, and I put his little seatbelt on. It's real cute. And then as soon as I start driving, if we're in the city, either way, if we're in the city, he shakes. But if we're on the freeway, he is very vocal about how unhappy he is. And I am currently working with a vet trying to figure out medication that will help take away his anxiety, but not drug him so much that when we get to a trailhead, he can't hike it. So wish us luck on that. And yes, we're also looking into whether it's a pain management issue at the same time. Okay, so we've arrived at the lake, and I'm going to stop talking now so you can take in the sounds and enjoy the video. If you can sit down and kind of watch the screen, I think I took some lovely shots. Obviously, I'm very new at this, but I hope if you're looking for something to relax you, I hope this is exactly what you've been looking for. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.